Hi, Charlotte. So finally, I got to you. Okay, so 67.3 inches, and we're converting that to meters. And so the first thing I'm going to do is try to go from inches to centimeters. I was looking at your conversion chart, and we do have inches to centimeters, and that gets us from English into metric. And then once we're in centimeters, we can go from centimeters to meters. That makes us metric. If you get a little confused about this, what I've told students before that seems to work is that bottom chart's metric to metric, right? And you can tell if you're in metric if your units have the same last name. So centimeters and meters and kilometers and decimeters and millimeters, they all have the last name meters. So I like to think of it as them having the same last name, and if they do, then that's the metric system. But the English system is all wonky. It's like inches and feet and gallons and tons, and nothing even sounds like each other. Okay, so we've got 6.73 inches, and we're going to go inches to centimeters. So that's inches down in the denominator here, and then inches to centimeters, and then centimeters down in the denominator, and then go into meters. So the first step is to get us into metric land, and then the next step is to get us to meters. So 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. I don't know why I'm out of focus here. I'm sorry about that. And then go in centimeters to meters. I kind of need a printout of the conversion chart you're using in order to explain that really well. But I know you're going to go look for the centi part, and then you're going to see 10 to the negative 2. Well, whenever you see 10 raised to some exponent, that goes with the base, not with the thing that has the prefix. So the base here is meters. Sometimes the base is liters. Sometimes the base is grams. Sometimes it's other things, but meters, liters, and grams are the basic 3 that you're going to be using. And then the thing with the prefix has a 1 in front of it. Alright, so then I've got the brown here to remind you the fail-safe way to get the right answer, to stick it into the calculator the right way, is open parenthesis, multiply everything on top, close parenthesis, hit the divide key, open it up again, multiply everything on bottom, close it, and then hit enter. And then inches in the numerator and denominator cancel, centimeters in the numerator and denominator cancel, and that leaves me with meters. And so I went ahead and wrote out everything the calculator gave me. And I'm looking up here at our original, and we've got 3 significant figures. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to stop here, but I'm going to look to the right to see if I need to round up or not, and I do. So 1.71 meters. Okay, I'm going to do the next problem in a different video, so these will upload more quickly. So if you have any questions, text me. If you don't know my number and you're watching this, then leave a comment, please.